Okay, so we're here at Mach 2016 on the WNT stand. Some interesting new products. One of the new products on the stand is a new tool vending system from WNT. I'm with Tony Pennington, the Managing Director of WNT UK, and he's going to tell us a little bit about it. So Tony, this isn't your first tool vend solution.
No.
What did you have before?
We had a Mach 60 system, Dave, which is a 60 spiral, 60 location system.
Okay.
So this is now an evolution of that system. The Mach 840, as the name would show, is 840 positions, but with a similar kind of floor space requirement. So you've only got 15 centimetres more space required for it.
Packed, isn't it?
Yes, yeah. But you've got up to 14 times the storage space for 840 articles. Typically, you won't get 840 depending on the mix of the tools, but around 500, which is still a significant improvement on the last model.
Okay, is this available in the UK now?
Yes, Dave, it's available now in the UK. It's launched this week at Mach. We're talking to customers all this week about the system, and then we'll be placing the orders at the end of the week for installation in the coming weeks after Mach.
Is this going to effectively replace the old system?
The current system, Mach 60, will continue. We've got over 300 installations across the country, UK and Ireland, so that will continue. This is an evolution, a higher level of system for customers to migrate to. We'll recycle the old systems, but then there's still a viable proposition for smaller customers, so they can still be utilised in smaller customers who don't require the extra capacity.
Now, obviously, a tool vend system, the whole idea is to stop shop floor guys putting inserts and stuff in toolboxes. Are you finding these are being quite adopted universally in the industry? Are companies wanting to control their tooling more than ever?
Absolutely. The key thing they want to know is who took the tool, when did they take it, what did it cost, and what job was it used on. So they want to know. This is a perfect situation that it gives the engineers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, access to the tools they need to get the job done. But from a management point of view, it gives them full control of exactly where their tooling is going and how it's being spent.
Okay, and part of WNT's role is to keep the machine stocked. And I guess there's sort of levels, reordering quantities. Once it drops below a certain level, it's automatic ordering process.
Yeah, that's right. It's a fully set up system of resource dedicated to Mach. So we have our own replenishment people who manage the stock. Either fortnightly or monthly the stock is replenished. The system is fully programmed in SAP by our own IT, so we're in full control of everything.
Yep.
The system works on a bin minimum basis, a bin maximum in terms of stock quantity, and a reorder point. We typically hold 3 to 4 months worth of stock in the machine anyway, but the system automatically will organise a replenishment that then is replenished by our own personnel.
Obviously, a key element to any stock management system is the reporting side of things. So I guess your customers want regular reports of who's using what on what jobs, what particular inserts or tooling is being used more than others. Is the reporting side all integral to this? How does it link in with that side of things?
Absolutely right, Dave. Customers want to obviously know exactly where the tooling is going, where it's been spent, what it's being used on. In this system is a SIM card that we dial into to retrieve the information on a daily basis. Customers can either take a daily report, a weekly report, or a monthly report of all their tooling spend. What we are developing is this system, because we won't stay as we are now, this will continue to be developed. There'll be an internet-based access, so customers can access their own reports independently if they wish to see something right there at that precise moment.
And it's a credit card type system, so I guess there's different levels of security. Some for shop floor, maybe supervisors, managers can get different levels of access.
Absolutely. It's a credit card system, but it's a PIN running behind it, so it can be accessed either by the card or by a PIN number. And within the system, if you want to secure certain high value items and restrict them for certain supervisors or managers, then that can be done. Can also restrict it in terms of the job in the future. So it's a development we're working on, not currently available, but will be in the future, where if that tool is not suitable for that job, the system won't allow you to vend it for that job.
Okay, fine. Is there any way we can have a look at the way it works? And excellent, great, thank you.
Okay, so this is a Mach 840 from WNT UK. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on the functionality. What we've got is either a PIN code access or a card access to the system. There are various ways of searching. We can go into drilling and then break it down into HSS drilling, solid carbide drilling, etc. Go into the tool, find the particular size of diameter and type of tool that you want. When you select it, it has material suitability, so you can see which materials it's going to be can be used on. You can also search by description, so if it puts in their description and puts tap, then all the taps in the system come up. When we come to vend, for the show now, obviously we have some demonstration tools in there, so we select the item. Tells us the pack quantity, the article number, and obviously when it was a cutting tool it will show the technical details. We decide how many tools we want and we press vend. The tool is dispensed, in this case it's a promotional gift, a pen, and then we have the tool.
Okay, so the second product we're going to look at on the WNT stand is the 4910 shoulder milling system, which is also brand new from WNT. Tony, tell me something about this.
Okay Dave, this is, as you say, brand new, launched at Mach this week. It's the A4910 90-degree shoulder milling system. The key benefit of this system is it's got 8 true 90-degree cutting edges, which is unique at the moment in the marketplace. Yeah,
truly unique.
Truly unique. So, in terms of the cutting edge, you've got 8 cutting edges, which means it's a very low cost per edge solution for customers, very cost effective. With the dragon skin coating, it's got extremely long tool life, so therefore a very cost effective option for a customer.
Okay, I think one of the things about this system is because of the geometry, it can be used on relatively low powered machines. It doesn't need a need a lot of spindle power to operate effectively. Is that something that was obviously part of the design from the start?
Yeah, that was very important. It's very smooth cutting, very soft cutting, so the power consumption is very low, which then makes, as you say, very suitable for lower powered machines. So it can be used across a whole range of customers' machine tools.
Any particular materials it's suitable for? I mean, is it would you class it as a general purpose insert, or is it more demanding type materials, titaniums, Inconels, that sort of thing?
The benefit of this system is we have grades for all materials, so it can be used universally across all materials with the relevant grade for that particular material.
Have you had anything like this before in your range, or is this a new? Obviously, the dragon skin's been around a while, hasn't it?
Yeah. Dragon skin coating technology, you know, it's part of an evolution. It continues to get better and better. But this particular system, in terms of 90-degree shoulder milling with 8 cutting edges, is absolutely brand new to us.
Is the coating, the actual dragon skin coating, that's been around for a few years now, but how's that been going down with the clients? I mean, is that a unique coating? Are customers liking the benefits it gives?
The dragon skin coating is our own coating, so it's unique to us again. Customers have really taken to it in terms of its performance, but also in terms of its application. The universal application of the different grades and the different coatings makes it, you know, a very, very good option for customers.
Excellent, Tony. And I guess, seeing as we're at Mach, a few words about the show. Just looking around your stand now, there's lots of bodies, and obviously it's the Wednesday of the show. How's it been for you so far?
It's been excellent. Monday was a little bit quieter. Tuesday it was completely full from 10:30 until 3:30. We still had customers on the stand at 6 o'clock last night. We had to almost move them on. And today is going to be even busier. I think this is going to be the busiest of the lot. I'm very happy with it, and meeting a lot of obviously existing customers, looking after them, but also a lot of new opportunities as well.
Excellent, Tony. Thank you very much for your time. No worries.